In this video, we'll demonstrate how to access and manage your organization's user roles within the MLADU Concierge Portal. Please note that only technical admins and portal admins have the ability to modify the roles of users within their organization. Financial users and data owners may view user settings but do not have permission to update user roles. Before we begin, let's briefly take a look at what MLADU user roles are and how they relate to your MLADU data transfers. MLADU user roles define a specific set of permissions and responsibilities within the platform, granting users the necessary access to perform their designated functions. Each user role within MLADU is designed to serve a distinct function, such as requesting data transfers, approving data transfer requests, managing billing and system settings, and more. This is what is known as Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC. MLADU utilizes an RBAC system, which ensures that users are granted access to systems, applications, and data based on their assigned role within your organization. With this approach, user access is limited to only what is necessary for their responsibilities, preventing exposure to unrelated system functions or sensitive information. Now that we have a basic understanding of what MLADU user roles are and why they are important, let's get started with the walkthrough. To begin, navigate to the MLADU login page and enter your authorized user credentials to access your MLADU portal. Once logged in, open the menu in the upper right corner of your screen and select Settings. Next, choose Security. And finally, click on Users. Your organization's MLADU users will appear on the following page. From this view, users are organized by the first letter of their last name. To update a user's role, select the appropriate letter, then choose the corresponding name from the list. The selected user's settings will appear on the following page. If you are a technical admin or portal admin, you should be able to view the green Edit button under the user's displayed settings. Select this button to update the user's role. Under Role, click the drop-down menu to assign a new role to your selected user. After confirming the updated role, be sure to select the green Save button at the bottom of the screen to apply and retain your changes before exiting the page. To learn more about MLADU and its capabilities, be sure to check out our channel for more videos or visit our site at MLADU.com for more information. For any questions or assistance, feel free to reach out to us at contactus@MLADU.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.